Obviously, I was upset the first time. I began thinking I was dealing with a madman. So I did the first thing I could think of. The strangest thing is his complete lack of animosity towards me. It's as if he's carrying out some secret mission to a higher power only he can understand fully. Despite his absence of psychological needs, I know when I hit him, he feels it. I know he's mortal. I know I could be rid of him with a single bullet. What I don't know is if that bullet should be for him or myself. I also don't know if when both of us are dead that he will stop. I would never kill either of us, though. A new, impending sense of foreboding has started to overcome me. A new anxiety eats at my soul. The anxiety stemming from the thought that this man, perhaps when I need him most, will depart. And I will no longer feel those umbrella taps. That help me sleep so soundly.